Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: camera, microphone, and a stable internet connection. Once done, locate the Google Meet link in your calendar invite, chat, or email and click it. If the link isn't clickable, copy and paste it into your browser's address bar. Make sure you use Chrome or an updated browser because Meet uses web features that older browsers may not support. This prevents permission errors and missing controls. Now proceed to the meeting page. You'll see preview and join options next. Once the Meet page loads, grant camera and microphone permissions when your browser asks. Otherwise, others can't hear or see you. You'll see a preview. Select the correct camera and mic from the drop-down menus and adjust volume or speaker settings. If you prefer, enable captions or a virtual background before entering so you don't interrupt the meeting. Make sure your network shows a healthy connection. If it looks weak, switch to Ethernet or move closer to Wi-Fi to avoid dropouts when you join. Click Join Now to enter the meeting, or ask to join if the host must admit you. This controls lobby access. Once inside, use the mute and camera icons to manage audio and video, and press Present Now to share your screen. Choose a window or tab for better performance. If something fails, first reload the page, then restart the browser, check permissions, or try the Google Meet app on mobile or desktop. These steps solve most connection and permission problems quickly, so you can rejoin immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.